Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dwight. The Good Energy Affiliate is back. Got another good video for you. Today I'm going to do a review of the One Funnel Away Challenge. Just a brand new, revamped, updated One Funnel Away Challenge. If you haven't heard of that before, you don't know what that is, don't worry about it because I'm going to go over it all with you right now today. So before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and now you do that, let's go ahead and get into it.
All right, so when you come to the registration page for the One Funnel Away Challenge, you'll see something that looks like this. Now, I gotta tell you, I've seen the old One Funnel Away Challenge, at least the one from last year, and the things that Russell Brunson has added into this challenge, the bonuses, oh my goodness, I really can't believe. I mean, even before for $100, it was well worth it. But for everything that's jam-packed into this challenge, oh my goodness, it's just unbelievable. So, but I'll start from the top here. So, first of all, they don't go anytime that you want to. You actually have to wait for the challenge to start. The next one right now, today is February 8th. The next one is starting on February 22nd, and you'll see right here that this registration ends on February 21st. You know, so it's not like you can just do this whenever you get ready, because there are some live aspects of the challenge, and Russell Brunson actually becomes like your mentor, your teacher during this challenge. So, I mean, just to have Russell Brunson as your teacher or mentor of any kind of inside access to this man, if you haven't seen what he's accomplished in affiliate marketing and digital marketing space over the past few years, then you need to go ahead and Google him. But, I mean, just to have access to him for this 30 days and the things that he offers through this challenge is just truly amazing. So if you have the ability to register and to get in this, you need to definitely jump on it as soon as you can. I'll actually leave a link in the description for you so you can actually get to this if they're still available to register. But so moving on, so you'll watch a video here that'll explain some of the things that, you know, what the challenge is all about. But this is what I like. He actually goes into some detail here. What does the One Funnel Away mean to you? You know, and he'll just break down, you know, it's just a lot of different people that, you know, because it means something different for different people, you know. For instance, like he says here, some people have a job that you hate. It could be some people who have an entrepreneur, your business isn't just going the way that you want it to go, or you're into internet marketing, digital marketing, just don't actually have an exact idea of, you know, which way to go with your business, or you're struggling to get the results that you want. So it's going to mean something different for everyone, but the goal is to have, meaning that one funnel will take you to that next level of wherever you're at in your journey, to take you to the next level of where you need to get to. All right. So I like this too when it says, please check all of the questions where your answer is yes. And, you know, most people are going to answer yes to at least one of these. And, you know, unless you just have a wonderful business, everything is just going perfectly, you're making tons of money, and, you know, you just don't have any issues, you know, you're going to answer yes to one of these questions, you know. So, and if that was the case, you probably wouldn't be watching this video. But so you're going to answer yes to one of these questions. And if you answer yes to one of these questions, then the One Funnel Away Challenge is something that can help you. All right. So here's how the challenge works. It's going to cost $100 to join, like I said, and for this to only be $100 is just simply mind blowing that he's even able to offer something like this for only $100. So it's just $100. I mean, and you get well or more than $100 worth in this challenge. And I'm gonna go on and show you a little bit more about what you actually get here. Okay, so all you pay is the $100, and here's exactly what you're gonna get. All right, you're going to get 30 days of video coaching / missions from Russell Brunson. Okay, now these are not just regular video coaching where it's just him talking at you. It's actually going to have assignments that come directly from Russell, you know, moving on each day. You're going to get 30 days of live coaching with the implementation coaches. So, no, these are people who have went through the One Funnel Away Challenge, who are experts in the One Funnel Away Challenge and the business of funnels, and you're going to get live coaching with these people. Now, you're also going to get the new one-pager digital workbook for each mission. So you're going to get a digital workbook that has each mission outlined for you to help you go through this challenge. Now, you get 30-day access to the One Funnel Away Challenge Facebook group, and I've been in this group before when I was going through this challenge, and I can tell you that there is tons and tons of value and support in this group. And not only that, you also get a whole bunch more. So you're also going to get bonus private big breakthrough trainings in the private group, and it's a lot of valuable information and brainstorming and mastermind things that go on inside the trainings in the private group. And now here's the bonuses. Now these bonuses are so amazing. I mean, like I said, I just can't believe that he actually does this for just $100. I mean, and it shows exactly why he's been able to do the things he's been able to do, because he provides value like this. But these bonuses, okay, the 30 days ebook by the 2 Comma Club winners, unlimited access to the 30-day interviews, and behind the scenes of the 2 Comma Club funnels. All right, now, well, basically what these are, the 30-day ebook, unlimited access to the 30-day interviews. What Russell Brunson actually did was he took some of his the people who were most successful using ClickFunnels and digital marketing and throughout his business. And what he did was he asked them if they had to start over completely from scratch, what would they do for 30 days? And they actually made up an action plan and wrote each one of them actually wrote down an action plan on what they would do from day 1 on to day 30 if they had to start their business completely from scratch. Now, if you don't understand the amount of value in what that could be, I mean, I just don't understand how to place it any more plainer than that. But I mean, to have people who are extremely successful at what you're trying to do outline to you what they would do had they had to start over from scratch from day 1 to day 30. I mean, that's just immeasurable. I mean, that alone is worth $100, not to mention everything else that comes along with the One Funnel Away Challenge. All right, and you see they break it down here, what the value is, and the value is over $3,000. I actually think it's a lot. The value is a lot more than that, but maybe he's just being modest. Okay. Now, going down a little bit further, it'll actually explain to you what exactly you're going to be doing in the challenge. Okay, so step 1 is going to be the strategy, the tactics, the implementation. I don't want to go over exactly all of this with you right now because I want to save some of that stuff for the actual challenge when you take it. But I mean, it's really, literally, sincerely broken down step by step, day by day, for you to go from wherever you are to completing this funnel to take you to the next level. Okay, so you can read here a little bit about what exactly those are, once you come to this page. Now, and this is the good thing about this, there's many good things about this, but here's another one. Here is your mission. Should you choose to accept this challenge, your challenge is to take action and complete the task given to you every day for 30 days. And that's the biggest key to not only this challenge, but any challenge or anything that you're doing is going to be the action. If you just sit there and watch the videos and don't actually do anything that they're instructing you to do in the videos, it doesn't matter who's saying what or, what you're watching. The results are always going to come down to your action, your consistency, your dedication, and your work ethic and your effort that you put into it. So if you're going to you got to take action. That's got to be the number one thing. All right. Now, coming down here a little bit further, you'll actually be able to get a little bit more detail of exactly what some of these bonuses are. I went over some of that a little bit with you earlier, so I'm not going to go over each one of these in detail. But these, once you come to this page, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. You'll be able to read any of those details. Now, here's another thing that I really like about the One Funnel Away Challenge is that it has proven results. If you click up here on success stories and you come over here and see the different testimonials, there you can just watch almost any of these videos, and there are numerous videos here of just different people telling you their experience of what, how they went through the One Funnel Away Challenge, what it meant for them and how it affected them in their business, and not only their business, but their lives, so you can take a look at that. And if you're not currently using ClickFunnels, sidebar, if you're not currently using ClickFunnels, when you come to this page, you'll see this little badge down here. It says that these pages are made with ClickFunnels. You can actually click on this badge here, and it'll bring you up to this page here where you can get a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. All right. But back to the One Funnel Away challenge. That's pretty much it. I mean, I definitely highly recommend anyone. Like I said, if you answered yes to any of these questions, or if you're curious about it, or I mean, no matter where you are, unless you just have the perfect business, this is something that can benefit you. So I highly recommend getting registered for this challenge if it's still available for you to get registered.
All right, guys, so that's my review on the new and improved One Funnel Away challenge. Like I said, I truly cannot believe that there's so much value packed in this thing that is only $100. The bonuses alone make it well worth more than $100. So I wish they were available when I took the challenge last year. But I mean, if you haven't taken it yet, definitely right now will be the time to. If you haven't had a chance to, hopefully the registration is still open. So again, I'll leave a link in the description for you so you can go ahead and try to see. Hopefully the registration is still available. Get on the next challenge while it's still hot. And I wish you guys much success. You know me, I always wish you much success no matter what you're doing. It's your boy, the Good Energy Affiliate, your boy Dwight, signing off. And always remember, no matter what you're dealing with, no matter what you go through, just keep pushing, keep going hard. Dreams do come true.